Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I traded 3 different stocks. I made 4 trades and I'm green on all 4. So if you're new here on this channel, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 58 of this small account challenge, and as always, before I'm gonna continue with my daily recap, I wanna ask you to support my channel by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. So now I'm gonna show you my trader view. And to be honest, I'm not proud of my trades today, especially the first one. As you can see, I'm up by $84.41 or 3.74%. A nice green day. However, on this trade on SINT, at some point I was down around 50 bucks or something. And as you can see, I sold it when a stock moved to the high of the day. So we needed to break 517, 527 level, and when it broke, it moved to the next resistance level, and I decided to get out until before rejection. So the next resistance level was 570, but I already got out completely from the position. And as you see, the stock squeezed through $6 and moved up to over $7. So this wasn't an ideal trade because, as I said, I was down at some point a lot. So, but I closed this trade plus $62.86. So the next stock I traded was AIHS. This is Chinese stock, also squeezed a lot. I think at some point was around 70% on a day. But I decided do not go crazy on it, and I just added small profits to my to my daily profit. Then BAOS popped up. I thought it was also a Chinese stock. I thought it's gonna go higher. I do not see my trace here. I thought it's gonna go higher, but it stopped. And when it squeezed through VWAP, I decided to get out completely from my position. So this is my day. I need to be careful with this type of stocks. Wait for a pullback definitely before jumping on the stock. I'm glad I'm finishing a day green, a big green, which is pretty good. So if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and right now I'm gonna show you my trades in a pre-market session. Good morning guys, I'm looking at our leading gapper STI. It was a nice squeeze from 20 EMA, which was at 720 up to $8.11. The high today was $8.37, and look at this. It's squeezing through this level. But it's squeezing before 7, so I cannot trade. A lot of other traders cannot trade, and that sucks. Is it gonna be the highest volume? Green candle on the volume. At least looks like. Yeah, the highest green candle on this one was. Now it looks very extended. First of all, it made a huge move from $4.22 up to $8. And now after this pullback, when we made another attempt, I don't know. If I wanna trade it in this area. SINT, moving on the scanner, I see looking at 10-second chart. I'm gonna buy here. Looks like again same thing. I cannot buy a stock I want. And of course I bought it when I didn't want to buy. Okay, SINT is how much? 18% in a day. I'm moving lower. MACD is positive, but we have a huge topping tail. The high was around $6, $5.99 on this stock. That's bad. I'm not gonna add. It's becoming very risky. $4.88 is 9 EMA. Looks like it's going higher. I'm gonna add here. Looks like the stock is moving. I'm gonna add here. I'm gonna add. I have 200 shares of the stock. It's moving for the break of VWAP. VWAP at 520. So the high on the day was 5.99. We'll see if we can break this level. 5.15. My average cost is 5.10. I see $5 on the ask. Couldn't break. Another attempt. Can we squeeze through this level? I see a 3,900 seller at 509, 505. Another attempt, 510, 512, 513. Not quite where I want the stock to be honest. 10% in a day. 507, 509, 10. Again, seller, 1,000 seller at 510. Can we squeeze through this? 517, looking pretty good now. So the next resistance we need to break 527. 527, then 570. So that's a big difference. I know this stock has a potential. I see, looking at level 2 on the ask, we have 499, then 5, then 510 immediately. So if it can squeeze through 527, we will be in good shape. So 517 was the high. 499 the ask. Attempting to move higher again. I see 496 on the ask. Nice. 496 again. $5. 501. We need 517, and we need actually to break 517 up to 527. I'm still holding, not selling a single share. I'm looking for 527 first. 517 we already had. So can we close on this candle above VWAP, which is 516, 512, 513, 509, not pretty good. Another attempt. 508, 509, 511, 513, 518, 520. We're moving higher. Nice. I'm not selling a single share, because if we break 527 we can move to 570 immediately. So this is a nice breakout. So I have, now I'm selling. 540, can we move higher? I'm selling as we go higher. I have 125 shares of the stock. If it's gonna move higher, I'm selling. Not really proud of this trade. But, you know, I'm green on it. So we have PMN with topping tails. 31% on a day. I don't think if it's gonna work. High 0.79. I missed the IPDN also. I did see that it squeezed through MACD or through VWAP. I actually was looking at this level, but I started trading this STIs, not STI, SINT stock. Now look at this SINT, $6. Double top at 6. But this was a huge green candle. So now I'm gonna just wait for something to start hitting the scanner. SINT is moving higher, but I don't wanna trade the stock. I was thinking about, you know, buying this support, but MACD is negative. It might not work. Looks like it's working. It now needs to break 657. It's breaking right at 657. 660, yeah. But again, MACD was negative. It's good in theory until you press the buy button. So, what I'm thinking about STI, MACD both negative on 1 and 5 minute charts. VWAP is not too far away, 720. But looks like it's already backside of the move. Looks like it's all not only holding VWAP, because IPDN is moving higher. This is the stock I was looking at before for the break of VWAP when I was in a trade on SINT. I don't want to trade it. A bit of potential with huge risk, and as you can see, it can drop 70 cents in one candle. No, I wanna wait something else for something else. And I was talking about STI. Looks like it was 20 EMA that it it was holding all the time, not VWAP but 20 EMA, and looks like it's now the same thing. Now it needs to break this 773. I think the candle is strong, it can break, and looks like the MACD might be going positive as well. Couldn't do it, but I'm thinking about buying 10 shares of this STI stock at VWAP at 720. We don't have anything right now to trade. This one is moving. Was as low as 5.99. Now it's back to 6.79. IHS looks like it's moving on the scanner 15% on a day. I'm not gonna jump in right away. Chinese stock plus another risky. It's moving higher. think I'm gonna miss the stock. It doesn't move that fast, but this is Chinese stock, can be really risky, and look at that, 355. Maybe wait for a pullback. Looks like this was the high, 398. Now it can probably pull back after this. Yeah, I think we'll have a pullback. Yeah. Double top at almost same level, 399. A really strong buying volume. So we have a shooting star, but the stock is still fighting. It's breaking 399, $4, 403. Yeah, it's moving higher. The biggest green candle on the volume is going now. Looks like today we have some action. This is our third leading gapper on a day. IHS doesn't want to give us any pullbacks. Look at this. Someone scooped all of the shares here in this area. It's crazy. Now it should go lower because of this candle of indecisions. So I'm thinking about buying of VWAP, which is 387. MACD is still positive on it. Bounce is moving. Chin is stuck again. So finishing my day. I have a nice green day, but I had some risky trades. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Remember, trading is risky, my results are not typical, and if you want to learn how to trade, first trade in a simulator before putting real money on the line. I'll see you tomorrow.